So another feature underneath this porch is this Marvin door. So Marvin just revamped their line of exterior hinge doors. There's a couple of things that I really like about this. Number one, the side lights and the door panel themselves, they all line up. And that's important because you want all of your profiles to be the same and you want everything to line up. So that's a nice feature of this. The other thing is that this door, it's 8 feet tall, but it has a multi-point lock on it. And this multi-point lock will lock the door top, bottom, and here into the side as well. So what that does is it not only holds the door straight, but it gives some added security. Marvin has this contemporary line of hardware that they also have been using that really sets things off. So here we are in the master bedroom. The homeowner has a unique balcony outside, and they wanted something to accentuate that. So we put in this custom radius top double opening French door. Very unique. Marvin makes it, and so it's very unique. But what I'm able to do is I'm able to open both doors, and what this does is it just allows light and the ability to be able to open everything up. So it's springtime. Now we can open everything up, get that fresh air in here. It's beautiful for the homeowner to walk out, and it's something that really accentuates the house well. So one of the things that was really important to the homeowner was she really wanted a Dutch door, what we call a Dutch door here at this side of the patio. And a Dutch door is one that opens not only on the top, but also on the bottom as well. And the idea is that you can bring things in and out without opening the door. You can hand things to somebody out here if you want to. So this is a little different than the windows. This is made by a different company, and this door is a total wood door. So it required some preparation when we were finishing this door to make sure that over time we don't have any issues with it. Homeowner's super happy with it. We were able to match in with the simulated divided light grids again. The homeowner is super happy with everything, and it was something that we were pretty proud of with the finished product.